Assignment 4.04, File Formats, File Size, and Resolution. Are you ready to start taking and posting pictures? Well, before we turn you loose with the camera, you need to learn about the files that will be coming out of it. When your camera captures an image, the file that is created has several elements that you need to know about. These image files have a width and a height measured in pixels, and a file size measured in kilobytes or megabytes. You need to know how that file can be used, whether you want to print your photo, or email it to a friend, or post it on your Weebly portfolio. Each of these applications requires a different file characteristic. Project instructions. In this assignment, you're going to explore 3 scenarios: making a 16 by 20 print, posting digital images to an online portfolio, and emailing pictures to family and friends. Each scenario has different requirements for file size and resolution of the images. There are no exact numbers to find and use, but there are approximate ranges that you should be able to find on the internet. On the blog page 4.04 of your Weebly portfolio, post the approximate dimension, file size, and file resolutions for each of these 3 scenarios. In addition, and more importantly, post the native file dimension, the width and the length, and file size measured in kilobytes, and the file format of the image created by your camera. Most cameras have several quality settings like small, medium, and large, so be sure to include the dimensions and size for each of those settings. This will give you a good baseline to work from. Project Checklist Rubric. For 16 by 20 prints, make sure that you include the file dimensions, the file size, and the file resolution for that type of print. In the second section, for online photo galleries, give us the approximate file dimensions, both width and length, the approximate file size, and the approximate resolution that you should use for displaying images online. And in the third scenario, for emailing photos, give us approximate file dimensions, file size, and file resolutions, best for emailing photos. And last but not least, make sure that you give us the dimensions of the images created by your camera, measured in pixels, width, and height, and also the native file size for those images that come out of your camera. And you probably have several, maybe small, medium, and large, and so those are measured in kilobytes or megapixels. Turn in instructions. After you have completed today's work in your Weebly portfolio, click on the Add Submission button below to submit this assignment. Copy and paste the URL to your Weebly blog page for 4.04 in the Add Submission text area. It will look something like this. After you have pasted your URL, make sure to format it with the hyperlink tool to make it clickable. After you submit the assignment, make sure to go back and click on the link to check and see if it will take me to the correct page of your portfolio blog. Good luck!